Me used to push things too far, always wanting answers quick. But love now move like that. It grows slow, piece by piece. But learn say patience matter, more than talk, more than plan. Sometimes best things in life come when you're just there. Time will tell, but not rush. Me trust the flow, me trust us. If it really will stay, if not, truth find a way. Time will tell, me stay calm, me not force, me not allow. Love show clear over time, I'm a good with that sign. You tell me say trust build over days, not one promise, not one night. So me step back, me calm my pace, give the feeling room to rise. Me stop question every silence, me stop fear every pause. If love really not disappear, just because time pass, time will tell. Me not rush, me trust the flow, me trust us. If it really will stay, if not, truth find way. Time will tell, me stay calm, me not force, me not allow. Love show clear over time, I'm a good with that sign. Chase me, not pressure, but not shape you into more. A lot of things feel be natural, let the story unfold. If we're strong, we will last. If not, truth will show. Either way, me respect the process. Some let time go, time will tell. Me not rush, me trust the flow, me trust us. If it really will stay, if not, truth find way. Time will tell, me stay calm.